Hey guys, welcome to another video and welcome again to my channel Trade Tech Analysis. This video I'm specially creating reason because I have published my indicator on TradingView for free of cost. It's actually not an indicator, it is the strategy indicator. There were a lot of signals but which have been avoided in this strategy. Strategy also can be added and even back tested on different time frames uh, in strategy on the trading view. Okay, so this indicator that I have created, it is the combination of few technical aspects like EMA crossover, SMC, ATR especially. I'm using this one for just for the trailing stop loss. Okay, so these have been combined along with some conditions for generating the signal. So the strategy, I'm going to explain each and everything about the strategy, how you can add it to your chart, and I think this is the only indicator that you need. And in the free trading view, you can add two free indicators. So I'm gonna tell you what two could be. This is gonna be the life changer. Today was the first day where I took a live trade based on my signal. Before that, we were doing the paper trade, even in the Bitcoin as well. Like when I come online around 7:30 in the evening, we do live Bitcoin trading based on the signals generated. So let's start. So the best time frame is 5 and 15. So if you have uh, the positional or swing trading view, you use the 15-minute time frame, and for intraday you can use 5-minute time frame. Okay, and the beauty of this indicator is you can use it on any chart: stocks, index, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any chart. It provides the wonderful signals from the bottom or the top, and you can write the trade. And how it's going to be done, let me just explain. Okay, so first of all, how to add it. So we'll go when you open indicator, it goes like by default favorites, personal, something like this comes. So under technical, there is the name strategy. Here you need to type EMA plus ATR plus SMC. So this is the indicator. When I posted, luckily I got four users already who have taken it and they have given a thumbs up. They really like the strategy. If you like this strategy, please follow me on TradingView and please follow my channel as well and do post a thumbs up as well. Okay, I'm gonna explain how it works, how you can take an entry, how when you can book the profit and all. Okay, so you can simply click on this add to favorites, click on the indicator, and now it has been added. So some settings that you need to do. First of all, remove this bar index, bars in last trade, trade on chart, signal, quantity. Okay. The ATR line that I feel comfortable is black line, and the width is the second bold. Okay. And the EMA line I'm using blue. This is what I feel comfortable of. You can do it any color of line that you are comfortable using it. Okay, so what I'm doing for shapes, I'm simply removing, not removing, actually decreasing the opacity to 50% so that it's not bright on the chart, but you can leave it as it is. This is the setting on this page. Under inputs, leave those as settings as it is. Sensitive key value has to be 1, ATR period 10, EMA length you have to mention 9 if you are doing intraday, and 20 you can leave it as is if you are using it for stocks. And leave trade cooldown period, you can adjust, you can try to adjust, and signals will differ basis on that one, so you can try that one. But My suggestion is you can leave those settings as it is. What I'm doing is I'm saving those settings as default and clicked on OK, so that when you add this indicator next time, you will have those settings as it is. So the name will display as Ramban strategy. Okay, that is the name I have given. So today, honestly, let me tell you, on Bank Nifty, I have taken the trade. Nifty is there, indices, Bank Nifty, here it is. Here it is, Bank Nifty, okay. So in the morning, when everybody was like, over the weekend, you have heard about the Hindenburg reports, everybody was like shorting, 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 but I didn't find any conviction here. So I didn't go for the long trade when it gave the signal because it was under the big bar red candle. So what I did when price came down, and I literally felt that it's not gonna go down further because I didn't find the conviction in any of those candle. It was purely a trapping. So what I did when the first candle was formed, so I took the entry. It tried to go down. When it started in the positive manner, I literally took the trade here, and I took the call, which is Bank Nifty 50,600. I bought it around 198 premium, and then look at this candle. This was the big bar candle. That was the confirmation, and the it has eliminated this big bar red candle as well. And then premium tried to come down, but I didn't exit because it is my stop loss. Okay, so when you take an entry, I took the entry in this candle, so that was my stop loss. If this candle is big one or this one is a big one, so either you can have this as a stop loss. In that case, let's say if premium if this candle start forms, like if it goes up and then comes to this level, it could be my stop loss. I'm happy to take it. Okay, so either I take the stop loss of this candle low or the last candle low. These are the stop loss you can take. And I took the this one, and then price started going up, and I didn't see the trade, only I was looking at the chart. And when it started forming the red candle, I was okay because my stop loss, if it touches this line, I could have exit, but I didn't. It didn't touch the price, and not even touching, you need to wait for the closing. If you are in profit, if you are well in profit, then wait for the closing. Let's say if it is going down and closes below the ATR line, is trailing stop loss line. This is the black line, and blue is the moving average. Okay, so both the conditions were okay. Like you see, the price is above the moving average, and the ATR above the ATR as well. So it didn't touch. So I didn't even uh, look at the trade. I was only looking at the chart. So as soon as price goes up, it keeps on trailing the stop loss. So over this candle, this was my sort of stop loss in my mind. And when this candle started forming up, this was my stop loss. Okay, in the mind. I'm not saying on the chart. Okay, so if it closes below the uh, ATR line, I could have closed, but it didn't. So this second long signal is the confirmation that you can hold the trade. And if someone has missed the trade here or here, he could enter here and then again there. So finally, I exited the trade in this candle. So premium was double. So that was a huge profit today, and I was lucky to grab it from the bottom. Okay, so these are the condition. That's how you need to trail the stop loss. If you don't exit here and you still want to ride, So when price comes down to trailing stop loss or the moving average, you can exit. Okay, so this was your exit, or it's actually closed above. So when it start forming the candle below the area, you can exit. Okay, so that is the entry and exit condition. So that time the price was flat, it was not going anywhere, so this line will be flat. If you see it flat, don't take the entry. Okay, here price the candle was crossing the area, so entry could be taken, or if it is above the area, you can take the entry. That was somewhere around close here as well. Some premium, like I mean, see in intraday premium movement is very fast. So let's say if you got 50 or 80 points or 100 points in the premium, you can book the profit as well. Okay, holding the trade moreover matters in the stocks, and here there were two signals for the long. It didn't provide any short signal because the condition was saying that you still need to long. Here there was an opportunities. There was a change in the momentum. That's why there was a short signal. So that is the beauty. It's not giving you buy signal, then short signal, buy signal, then short signal. Nothing like that. If it has a momentum upside, it will still give you long signal. That's how it is. It has been designed. It's designed in via the coding. So there were a lot of condition combined together. And look at this candle, when it gave a short signal and it the price started below the ATR. Again, you can do multiple trades as well, there is nothing wrong about it. What could happen, it can hit your SL. But let's say if your SL is hit here, there was a profit, but if your SL hit here or here, that would be like 30-40 points. But when the trade is in your favor, then look at the details. Entry could be here and then boom. So this candle actually didn't close above the ATR, so it is still touching it, and because this is a trailing stop loss line, it is crossing it. It doesn't mean that you need to exit here. Okay, when it crosses above and close, then only you need to exit the trade. So ideally this trade was still on at the last. When you are in trade and price, there could be 10 to 20% chances it is giving you a long signal when you are still holding the trade, because but you need to look for the long signal only when it is either crossing the ATR or the price is above the ATR. So these are the two things. So that happened on the bank nifty chart, and I come live around 7:30, so we can do the live trading basis on this indicator, and that is free of cost for everybody now. uh, it was initially paid, and we have refunded the amount for all the subscribers. And thanks to my kids, they suggested me, if that is good, then I don't know what came in their mind. They were saying that why can't it be free? Then I was like, okay, let it be free. So the second indicator you can align with this indicator is liquidity swings by Lux Algo. Okay, I need to remove the RSI. And trust me, you don't need to look for any other indicator. Liquidity, I'll tell you why am I using it. So this indicator tells you where the most of the liquidity is, mostly at the special prices, sorry, special places. So here 1.92 million contracts were executed that took the premium up. Here short positions were like there were 18 million contracts. There was a big fight between sellers and buyers. Okay, again here. So why why am I telling you to use this along with it? The both are free, okay? So you can combine those one. So let's say you have taken, if price comes above this level, okay, let's say there is a position somewhere around here. Let's say position is somewhere around here, and price goes in your favor. So this is the place you need to exit the trade, okay? Because this is seller's area. Exit the trade, and there is a possibility it can break this level as well. There is a possibility, but there will you will see the conviction in the candle. There could be big green candles like this to break such levels, okay? So that's how it's going to work. But at least you book your profit, and when you see the long signal again, let's say if you miss this entry, and let's say uh, re- this is somewhere here, and if you miss the trade, it will definitely, if the price is going in your favor, then you will have another long signal, and then you can enter it again, okay? So that's how it works. So you need to combine those indicators. The second one is a life changer, where you can exit or take an entry. So when it was on the short side, everybody would have been shorted here, right? But you have taken a long position here, and look at the massive profit. So that's how this liquidity works. So price goes and take the liquidity, and then it changes the trends. So that's how it's gonna work. So that is the beauty of this indicator, and it works on any chart. So let me just show you. It was almost similar on the Nifty chart as well. So you can enter at the bottom. That is the beauty. You don't need to like you. Oh my goodness, I missed the price. And it also gives you the confidence to hold the trade from this level, even there is a red candle, because it's not hitting your stop loss, okay? So that is the beauty. And if you want to look at it in some other chart, let's say which one it is, Tata Motors. So price is totally sideways. In this area, that becomes difficult to take the side in a sideways market. So you'll see it flat, okay? So that's the reason, when you have multiple signals, avoid. So that was totally sideways. On 15-minute chart, if we have any signal on 15-minute chart, it shows there could no, you could take an entry basis on the liquidity, and the price was rejected, but not through the signal. It was still, entry was here actually when it crossed the price, and then it was totally sideways, okay? So that way, it's a DVR price. Sorry, not actually price. So here it is. It was side. So it's okay. It tells you to hold the trade. Okay. So it's not you are taking an option trade. You are buying a stock here, and it gives you the confidence whether where you can exit. So here you can find any positions basis on the signals provided. So at the bottom you can buy, and at the top you can exit. So that the beauty is you can try in different charts, okay? That will give you the confidence. So the thing which I'm telling you, it gives confidence to you to short at the top and long from the bottom. So, and look at your stop loss, it keeps on moving along with the chart. There is the exit if you like hold it for a day or two. So you can continue your position along with the trend, and when it crosses the ADR, you can simply exit. But in stocks, you need to use the line, EMA is 20 instead of 9, okay? For longer profits. So that is about the indicator, and for the liquidity, you need to make those settings. It has to be intrabar precision, in which you are trading, and then instead of count, it has to be volume. Simply type like 1 lakh or 1 million. That is the only setting that you need to make. Okay. So the, or if you use default, that is also fine. You are still getting the same signal. So that's it about the video, and thank you so much. Please share your support and love. Do subscribe to my channel. Do check out my strategy and give a thumbs up if you like it, and try it on anything that you trade on. It could be on the MCX, it could be in the forex, it could be in the crypto, it could be in the it could be on any index or any stocks. Okay, so that is definitely going to help you to achieve the profits. You can take intraday positions as well in the stocks if you have the, the um, what we call, you have the big money in your trading account. If you have the big portfolio, then you can go for the uh, intraday stocks position as well. Okay, so with this, thank you so much and have a good day. Again, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.